Okay, now we will see how do we find out or how do we calculate the output of the neural network. This is a formula. This is a formula to find out the net. To calculate the net output, we have a formula y in equals to b plus summation of I equals to 1 to n xi wi. This is the formula to calculate the net. Now we will see how do we find out the output. The output of the deep network is represented by using a variable y. Y is nothing but your output of the neural network. To find out the output of the neural network, we will apply the activation function f on y in. Y in के ऊपर we will apply activation function. What is activation function? We will see what do you mean by this activation function, right? So activation function is nothing but the external force is applied to the network to generate output. So this is the definition of activation function. So to generate the output in simple term, we can say that to generate the output from the neural network. अगर हमको न्यूरल नेटवर्क से आउटपुट जनरेट करना है, that is your y, we have to apply some external force on it. So that external force is called as activation function. That is your f. We have a different types of activation function. We will see it in the later on. Okay? But the basic activation function job is to generate the output from the neural network. I hope you understand. This diagram show the basic mathematical model of artificial neuron, as we can see here. In this we have a set of inputs x1, x2 till xn. Then all the inputs are connected with the output node, right? With the connections, that is your weights. We have a weights. All this informations are given to the neural network, that is a processing element, neuron. Now in this we will first calculate the summation of y in. As you can see here, we will first find out the y in. This processing is divided into two parts. First we will calculate the summation of y in. Right? हम लोग क्या करेंगे? To calculate y in, we will find out this summation of this all thing. Now to generate the output, to generate this output, we apply some activation function on it. उसके ऊपर activations apply करेंगे, then it will generate the output. So this structure, as we can see, that this structure is same as biological neural network. Biological, when you will see the biological neuron, right, you will find the structure like this. उसमें भी क्या रहेगा? There are input, that is your dendrites. Dendrites are there, right? That are responsible for taking the inputs, right? Then उसमें weights are there, right? Weights मतलब connections are there, right? उसमें भी तुमको connection मिलेगा, right? Axon जो है, axon is basically used to connect between input and the output node. The output in the biological neural network जो output generate करेगा is called as synapses, right? Synapses is responsible for generating the output. So these are the basic elements of the deep neural network. In this we have a input node, output node, and connection weights. I hope you understood this. Okay, now so in this we have the structure of biological neuron and the artificial neuron. From the diagram we can see that, right, there are much similarity between these two, right? There are much similarity between two. In this we have inputs, right? यहाँ पे जो inputs है, input 1, 2 and till n. In this case, in biological neural network, the dendrites play a role of input मतलब they are responsible for taking the input. This dendrites will take the input from the environment or from the other neuron, right? Then this is your nucleus and cell body. So this is nothing but your processing. Where the देखो in biological neural network the processing कहाँ पे होगा? In this area, in the nucleus and the cell body. So this nucleus and cell body is nothing but your summation and activation function. The axon, right, it is a connection path between input, right, dendrites and synapses. So this is your nothing but weights, and the synapses are nothing but the output. So these are the basic structure of biological neural network as well as artificial neuron, biological neuron as well as artificial neuron. Now we move to the next topic. See, now we have a different types of artificial neural network, right? Different types of artificial neural networks are there, right? The first type is your single layer feed forward network. The first category is single layer. अच्छा, what do you mean by single layer? Single layer में क्या होगा? Only input and the output layer is there. यानी input and output layer रहेगी. And feed forward, what do you mean by feed forward? Right? In this the output is flow, मतलब जो flow of the neural network is रहेगा is in one direction only, right? यानी यहाँ से यहाँ गया, then यहाँ से यहाँ गया, यानी feed forward. This node will receive the input, right? Feed the input into it, and this node will give the input to this. This node process the input and output. Right? That's why it is called as feed forward network. Any information it will flow only in one direction. एक ही direction में information flow. So single layer, always remember, in case of single layer, right, we have two layers, right? Input layer and the output layer. These are the two layers in the single layer, right? In case of multi-layer, we also have a hidden layers, as you can see here, as you can see in the diagram. This is the input layer, right, which is responsible for receiving the inputs. Then hidden layer, there are hidden layers. So in case of deep learning, right, remember students, these hidden layers, number of hidden layers are very large, because large amount of data is there. So to process all the information, all the data, large number of hidden layers are required. And again output. So this is the structure of multi-layer feed forward. Why it is called as feed forward? Again, the information is flow only in one direction, right? एक ही डायरेक्शन में इंफॉर्मेशन फ्लो हो रहा है. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड एज फीड फॉरवर्ड. तो दिस इज अ सिंगल लेयर. पहला जो था वो सिंगल लेयर था, एंड द सेकेंड वन इज अ मल्टी लेयर. नाउ थर्ड, सिंगल नोड, ओनली वन नोड. देयर इज सिंगल नोड, एज यू कैन सी हियर, ओनली वन नोड विथ इट्स ओन फीडबैक. मतलब इसमें क्या हो रहा है कि दिस नोड इज रिसीविंग द इनपुट, generating the output, and again the feedback is given back to this node. So single node, only one node is there with its own feedback. उसका खुद का feedback उसी को मिलेगा. The output जो रहेगा, right, वो अब forward यानी आगे नहीं जाएगा. Feed forward में the output जो रहेगा वो one direction में यानी आगे जाएगा. In this case feedback मतलब क्या हुआ? The output is again given back to this node. So this is your single layer, single node with its own feedback. Now next we have single layer recurrent network. Now in case of recurrent network, always remember, right, the output is given back to the, right, is given back to the node. Right? In feed forward, right, the information is flow only one direction, right. यहाँ पे ऐसा रहेगा in case of feed forward, this input node, then output node, and then output. But in this case, what happened? The output of y1, the output of this y1 is again given back to all of the output node, as you can see. The output of y2 is again given back to y1, y2 and yn. That means यहाँ पे क्या होगा? We form a loop, closed loop, right? एक closed loop बनेगा, right? Loop type structure आएगा. The output is given back to the. So in case of single layer, the output is given back to the output node. ये जो output आ रहा है यहाँ पे, ये output वापस से back is given back to the output node only. In case of single layer. But in case of multi-layer, right, recurrent network, as we can see here, the output is given back to the hidden nodes. यहाँ पे जो output आ रहा है, right, दिख रहा है, as you can see here, is given back to the hidden nodes. Whatever the output we are getting is given back to the hidden nodes. Again, in this we form a loop. इसमें भी एक loop बनेगा. Why it is called as multi-layer? Again, either we have an input layer, hidden layer, and output layer. So these are the basic types of neural network, right? वो single layer होगा या multi layer होगा. In single layer we have a 2 layer, input and output layer. In case of multi layer we have a 3 layers, input layer, output layer, and hidden layers. Hidden layers multiple ways. Feed forward, the information flow in only one direction. In recurrent network, that there is a closed loop. The information is given back to the, in case of single layer, the output node, and in case of multi-layer, the hidden node. I hope you understood.